number. That's not of interest to me. And who came up with that number and what is that based on? I don't even know. But what I do know is that it requires resilience. It requires standing up for yourself, the power of saying no, and advocacy. What I have been seeing a lot happening lately, which is really empowering, is prior to the idea of how much someone made, they kept that very private, right? Like, so let's say we were both going, we just got cast to do a movie, and we're in the negotiation process. Prior to, historically, you would go off with your team and negotiate your deal and just hope for the best. Now what I'm saying is happening is that, especially amongst the females, and there are male allies here and there, not many, but here and there, where we will reach out in the middle of negotiations to say, hey, this is what they're asking me for. What is it looking like for you? Right? And in those situations, it can be that I'm getting more of this, but less of that. And so in the sharing, it breaks that barrier for inhibiting them from trying to manipulate or downsize us. That's been something that's been very powerful, and being brave enough, which feels silly, but being brave enough to stand up for yourself, and also for myself as a minority, being very clear on the types of roles that I want to play and what themes they embody so that they are not stereotypes and that they are strong women with a message. It doesn't mean I have to play glamorous women. I actually prefer to play women with a bit more grit and, for lack of a better word, slightly lower status, because I think their stories are much more interesting.